we are Mohamed, Carmen, and I, Wendy. We are going to talk about the types of electricity power plants. We are from the technology class of second ESO. Let's start.
A power station is an industrial facility for the generation of electric power. Each power station contains one or more generators, a rotating machine that converts mechanical power into electrical power by creating relative motion between a magnetic field and conductor. The energy source harnessed to turn the generator varies widely. There are two kinds: conventional power electric plants and non-conventional power plants. Now we are going to see these two kinds of power plants and some examples about them.
The conventional power plants are bad for the environment of the nature, but they are expensive. There are four types into conventional power plants: thermal power plants, combined cycle power plants, nuclear power plants, and hydroelectric power plants.
The first type that we're going to see is thermal power plants. Here, water is heated in a boiler by the heat generated from the combustion of a fossil fuel, natural gas, coal, or petroleum. The steam that is generated moves the turbine connected to the generator. Here, there are two pictures about them.
The second type is a combined cycle power plants. They obtain electricity as the result of two combined cycles: a cycle that uses air and gas, and a conventional thermal cycle. During the first cycle, a gas turbine is used that includes a compressor. The combustion gases from the first cycle are transported to another boiler where they transfer the energy. Here we have a drawing explaining that the process and the different steps.
The third type is the nuclear power plant. They use a nuclear fission reactor that produces heat to generate the pressurized steam needed to move the turbine rotor. There is a picture of a nuclear power plant, an sign, and a drawing explaining the process to transform the energy. The last type of conventional power plants is the hydroelectric power plants. They use the potential energy provided by the heat of the water stored in a dam, converting it into kinetic energy. This energy moves the blades of the turbine. There are two types: gravity and pump. This is a picture of a dam and this is a drawing.
The environmental problems caused by conventional power plants have led to creation and development of the other kind of power plants, not conventional or alternative energy power plants. Into this group, there are wind turbine, solar power plants, biomass thermal power plants, geothermal power plants, and ocean power plants.
Wind farms use the kinetic energy of the wind to move the blades of a rotor at the top of a tower. This is referred to as a wind turbine. These are two pictures of wind turbines. This is the tower and these are the rotor blades. The second type are the solar power plants. They use the sun's energy. There are two types: photothermal power plants are thermal power plants in which steam is produced by solar radiation, while photovoltaic power plants transform solar radiation directly directly to electricity using panels of photovoltaic cells. Here is a picture of a lot of photovoltaic cells and its operation.
The third type are biomass thermal power plants. Biomass consists of an organic compound that is produced through natural processes. Biomass thermal power plants are thermal plants that use biomass as fuel. Here are some pictures.
Another type are geothermal power plants. They use the heat found at deep layers in the earth, like the photos show. And the last type is ocean power plants. They use the energy from the oceans and seas, like tides, waves, or thermal gradient. These are pictures of fish.
So far, our presentation. This is the end. We hope that you like it. Thanks for your attention.